I'm Kayla Harrison. 2 years ago, I had a fall in which resulted in a spinal injury and a brain injury. After I recovered for a month at home, I started my extensive search for a legal team. So I came here first and met with Josh and asked questions on how the process works, how my life would be impacted, what the strategy would be, as much as I could ask. And Josh was the only lawyer that I met with that didn't get so excited about my case that he was trying to sell himself. He realized that I was doing this on my own and gave me his book and gave me questions to ask other lawyers. And even as I was trying to interview him, I was like, wait, hold on. I feel like I'm supposed to be asking you questions and you're just giving me questions to ask other lawyers during this interview. I felt instantly comfortable here, and after interviewing 9 other law firms, I couldn't beat it. This process of having a personal injury lawyer is a very personal process. It's very intense. It's very intense. You have to do it by yourself. Even though people can come to the interview, it's you. It's you and your lawyers, and you have to feel comfortable. And because of that, and because I had a comfortable relationship with Josh, I was okay. I was perfectly fine with the process, and I was educated in what I wanted to know. I would definitely refer people to Shulman Du Bois. It is a very scary process, and they make it not scary. They really do. It's very personal. It's not, you're just a name on a list.